Hello guys, my name is Pranav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you total two websites where we can create a very high quality email submission backlink. So the first website name is postemails.org. So this is a .org backlink, and the second website is bondhops.com. I can't pronounce properly this website name, so I can provide all the websites URL over the description section. So from there you guys can access or navigate easily. Before that, we can install something about those websites. So according to Acharya, for the first website domain rating is 80 and the second website domain rating is 58. So all the websites are good. So simply you guys can click for the sign up button, and there you guys can add your email address. So I have already created account on that website. So account creation process is very simple. So you guys can simply add your email ID, then you guys can then after that this website can send you a verification email, so where you guys can create your recovery your password. So I can simply click for the login button, okay, and then once you guys can create a profile, so there is no any need to guys can optimize your profile, but you guys can check once. So you guys can optimize your user details, username, okay, and this is your nickname should be going for your landing page URL, and from there you guys can update your logo and upload time and the file name. This is the another things, and from there you guys can change your password. So there is no any additional things to you guys can optimize your profile. So simply you can click for the home page. There is a choose images button, so simply you can click to choose image, and you guys can upload your image over there. And before you're uploading your image, you guys can add your image name, then after that you can upload in this section in this website. So this is your live landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito, so it's instant approved backlink or not. So you can see it's instant approved backlink, but there is no any description. So how you guys can optimize your image? So you guys can add your image name. So there you guys can add your image name first, then you guys after that you guys can upload your image on those websites, okay. So we have created image submission backlink on first website, so that this is a second website. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So I can show you how you guys will create profile on that website. I have already created, and simply I can open a temp email. If anyone don't know about the temp email, so I can simply provide this website URL. From there you guys can generate a temporary email, so you guys can create profile or something, okay. So I can simply copy this, and after that simply you guys can click for the register button. There you guys can add your username. So I can use jobma interview software, because I have already created account, so you guys will see over there. And there you guys can add your password, and you can click for the create, and then you can click for the let's go button, and from there you guys can upload your company logo or whatever you wanting. If you wanting to create personal profile, so you can, otherwise you can create your company profile as well. And then after that you can click for the save and the continue. There you guys can add your first name and the last name. So if you have to diversified a brand name, suppose that bin traffic, so this is a diversify Then after that, you can select your country and your date of birth. Then you can click for the save and the submit. So our profile is created. So what we can do, simply you guys can go for your profile section, and you can optimize your details. So from there you guys can click, and you guys can update your all details. From there you guys can update your cover images, your brand name, and there are also giving you a suggestion to you guys can add your workplace and your addresses. So if you guys, then you guys can click for the edit button, then you guys can add your all the details. So from there you guys can add your phone number and the another things. Notifications in the social link section, there you guys can add. So top of the left side section there is a social links button. You guys can add your all social details, social channels. Okay, and there is investment links, 3 available links, generated links, and another things. So we can explore these things later. Profile section and the avatar cover verification, and these are the details. From the verification section you guys can add username and the copy password ID, your personal pictures. So from there you guys can verify your profile. Okay, so we have created all the things. So what we can do, so you guys will familiar with the profile creation on that website. So I can close this website, and simply you guys can go for the home section, and you guys can click for the plus button, and from there create album button, and also there is an option to you guys can create your email submission backlink. Okay, so what I can do, I can going to pick any blocks, and from the blog I can going to download picture. Yeah, I have them. Save images, and this is the blog title. So simply I can add, and you guys can upload your image. And you guys can add some hashtags. And after that you can click for the, from there we can add, okay, same things. So you guys can also add optimize your who is can access your images, and there is a emoji and the tagging option. And after that you can click for the share button, and you guys will see this is your image backlink, and you guys can click for the share, and this is your image submission landing page URL, and I can go to open it incognito. So we'll see what happened. So this is our image submission backlink, and also you guys can add, if you wanting, so you can add your blog link as well. For more information, and you can click for the update button, and we'll see in incognito so what it is happening. So this is a backlink, and I can show you it's it's a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the, okay, it's a no follow, REL, no follow. You can see from there this is a no follow backlink. So thing is, we have created two image submission backlink today on that video. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.